Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for aerial photography enthusiasts and casual flyers alike, the GPS Drone 4K, a foldable FPV drone that comes equipped with gesture control. We found this incredible drone online, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the GPS Drone 4K? This compact and lightweight drone weighs just under 249 grams, making it easy to transport and operate without the hassle of FAA regulations. It features an impressive 4K camera capable of capturing stunning photos and smooth videos, allowing you to document your adventures with high-quality visuals. The drone also boasts a range of smart features that enhance the flying experience, making it a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced pilots. Let's dive into some of the standout features of this drone. First and foremost, the camera is a game-changer. With a resolution of 4096x3072p for photos and 2048x1088p for videos, you can capture the world in breathtaking detail. The camera has a 90 degrees tilt adjustment and a 100-degree FOV lens, which means mastering wide-angle shots is a breeze. Additionally, the 5 GHz transmission technology ensures you get a stable and responsive live feed, which is crucial for maintaining control during flight. One of the most exciting aspects of this drone is its intelligent GPS system. If the battery gets low or the connection drops, the drone will automatically return to you. It also logs its last location and flight path, making recovery easy. You can take advantage of the smart tracking modes, including Follow Me, Circle Fly, and Waypoint Fly, to capture stunning footage effortlessly. And for those solo adventures, just flash a peace sign to take a photo or face your palm to start recording. It's that simple. Another notable feature is the extended flight time. With two powerful 7.7V 1800 mAh intelligent batteries, you can enjoy around 50 minutes of flight time total. The remote controller displays battery levels, so you'll always know how much power you have left, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about your drone unexpectedly landing. This drone is also designed for stability and ease of use. The brushless motors provide strong thrust and wind resistance, making it suitable for both beginners and hobbyists. The altitude hold system allows the drone to lock at a set height, freeing you to concentrate on your photography instead of constantly adjusting the controls. As for who this drone is suitable for, it truly caters to a wide audience. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the ropes of drone flying, an outdoor adventurer wanting to document your hikes, or a professional photographer needing a portable camera solution, the GPS Drone 4K can meet your needs. Its foldable design and lightweight build make it easy to pack into a carrying bag, so you can take it with you wherever you go. In practical use cases, picture yourself hiking to a scenic overlook with friends. You can set the drone to follow me mode while you capture breathtaking landscapes and group shots without needing anyone else to handle the camera. Or, if you're into vlogging, the gesture control feature allows you to start recording with just a hand signal, ensuring you can keep your focus on your content. To wrap up, the GPS Drone 4K is an impressive combination of high-quality imaging, smart technology, and user-friendly features that make it an excellent choice for anyone interested in drone flying. Whether you're looking to capture stunning aerial shots or simply enjoy the thrill of flying, this drone has you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.